Listen, there's just too many options out there for you to be paying full price for Obamacare or ACA Marketplace. I decided to make this video where I'm just talking to you because I get called all the time from people that have given up on their health insurance because it went too high, have no clue that they have options, and it's something that I think is important for you to know. You can get coverage at a much more affordable rate than Obamacare if you are relatively healthy. Now, before I go on, if you have serious health issues, you are not going to be able to get private coverage unless you're in a group. If you're in a group of 5 or more, even if you have health issues, you can get private coverage. But if you're not in a group, you're paying your own coverage, your income is too high, you have options. I literally talk to 5, 10, 15 people a week that are paying just ridiculous premiums. Or they chose the bronze plan, which has a $9,000 deductible. Think about that. A $9,000 deductible means you have no coverage until you pay $9,000 out of pocket. And you're also paying a lot of money for that. And I talk to people every day. It's one of two things. Either they've taken the high deductible, they just grin and bear and pay the sky-high premium for the silver plan, which is a little better. Or, more common than not, they have no coverage at all, and then they're really putting their families at risk. All it takes is one claim, one big claim to get you wiped out. Now, if you have no assets, low income, you don't have to worry about it. Plus, those people get income subsidies for Obamacare, so they hardly pay for it at all, and a lot of them pay nothing. But I'm making this video to speak to you, the person that's paying the full ride, subsidizing all the sick people, and you're paying the high premium even though you hardly go to the doctor or hospital. Know your options. I made this YouTube channel to educate people. There's private plans, private major medical plans, there's private group plans, major medical, and there's health shares. A lot of people don't know what a health share is. It's not insurance, but it's very strong coverage if you can meet the guidelines, part of which is your current health and the other part is your lifestyle. Most of these health shares started based on Christian faith, like Christian Health Ministries or Medishare. So you had to make a profession of faith to be able to get involved in these health shares. Not anymore. The one that I use most of the time for people who are looking at health shares is Zion Health Share. I've made several videos about health shares, Zion Health Share, and some of the other ones on this channel. So go back and look. In fact, one of the last videos I made was comparing the big three: Medishare, Christian Health Ministries, and Zion Health Share. And I just try to make as much content as possible so that you can know your options. If you're watching this video right now and you want to know what your options are, the contact information for my company, which is called Clear Choice Health Insurance, is in the description. It's in the channel description. It's in the description of this video. All you have to do is make a phone call to us, or you can set an appointment on a calendar. It's no hype, no pressure. You tell us your situation. We will ask you about your health situation, and based on that, we will tell you exactly what options you have. Now, if you see the savings that people are getting and you're not looking into your options, shame on you. I have families who are paying $2,800, $2,900, $3,000 a month for a silver plan on Obamacare, and we're putting them into what is essentially better coverage, private health insurance, lower deductible, and the premium is 50% less. Literally 50% less for better coverage is available to many of these people. Even single people, if they want a top tier silver plan with Obamacare and they're healthy, you're paying $1,300 or more, sometimes less depending on where you live in the country. But you can get a private health plan for $500 or $600 a month with better coverage, PPO style coverage, meaning you can go to any doctor you want to. Folks, these plans have been available and around for many years. But this year especially, with the huge increase in premiums for people without income subsidies, we're busy all the time. We're trying to get the message out. So take a look on this channel. I've made several videos about private health insurance. I've made several videos about health shares. Made videos specifically talking about families and individuals who have saved the money. These options are here for you. You have to take the initiative. You have to be proactive and reach out and find out what your options are. So please do subscribe to this channel. Turn on notifications if you want to see new content I put out. Like the video. All these things allow my videos to get out to the general public so that they can see what you're seeing right now. My website is cc-healthinsurance.com. That's cc-healthinsurance.com. It's in the description. Reach out. The phone number is on the website. Call. Somebody will gladly talk to you for a few minutes and enlighten you. So thank you for watching. Share the video to people who are paying these crazy prices for health insurance.